What are HR services? HR services enable businesses to outsource all or part of their human resource functions to third-party service providers. These functions include a range of HR processes such as employee recruitment, payroll management, and benefits administration. Common offerings of HR services include benefits administration, which allows service providers to procure and manage employee benefits such as medical coverage, disability insurance, and retirement plans. Training and development services aimed to improve the knowledge and skills of employees are based on learning requirements of your company and are offered both online and in person. Payroll management helps track time and attendance, manage taxes related to payroll, and process payments to employees. Compliance management helps ensure that your company is in compliance with employment laws and regulations. Types of buyers looking for HR services include businesses that need to outsource their entire HR function, as well as companies that require only specific processes. Some companies prefer outsourcing their complete HR function to a service provider who manages it on their behalf. These organizations have an internal human resources department, but may lack the expertise or resources to perform certain functions, such as benefits administration or payroll. A key benefit of procuring HR services is reducing expenses related to maintaining an in-house human resources department by not incurring operating expenses for functions such as recruitment and hiring, training and development, and payroll management. When selecting an HR service provider, it's important to consider the security of your company data. A data security lapse can put sensitive employee information at risk, making it critical to understand the security practices of the provider you select. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.